IP Shorts with another interesting IP judgment. So the case we will discuss in this video is trademark dispute between Nike and Puma. Let's have a look at the facts of the case. So in this case, Nike made an attempt to register the trademark footwear under classes 9, 38 and 42 and filed a request in US and UK. They intended to use the footwear trademark in association with the Internet of Things enabled products like shoes and apparels with technology in them. The application was approved and published for opposition in the month of January 2020. However, its rival brand Puma made an attempt to block the same. On June 17th, Puma filed a formal notice of opposition for Nike's footwear mark. The United Kingdom Intellectual Property Office in September 2020 rejected Puma's bid to block the registration of Nike's footwear mark, observing that footwear did not have an immediately apparent meaning, and also stated that the evidence does not establish descriptive use of the mark. Thus, Puma lodged an appeal with the High Court of Justice in London. Puma opposed it, claiming that it is an ordinary term for goods and services and so does not possess any distinctive character for registration. And the United Kingdom Intellectual Property Office did not take into account the notional and fair use. As you can see on the screen in the third point, that Nike wanted to register the mark footwear with the spelling W-A-R-E like software and hardware, while we spell footwear as W-E-A-R. So on this point, Puma pleaded that footwear is an obvious misspelling of footwear, concluding that it is neologism which changes the meaning and requires some mental effort on the part of consumer to distinguish it. Nike responded by showing its use of smart running trainers, trackable trainers, and connected footwear, all pointing to the company's tech-enabled shoes. In a decision dated 27th May 2021, the High Court of Justice in London dismissed Puma's appeal, paving way for the application filed by Nike with the United Kingdom Intellectual Property Office. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and do subscribe IP Shorts to keep a track on the latest happenings in the field of intellectual property. Take care, stay safe.